Hey everyone! Today we're going to deep dive into how does Finelo app work. It's basically an all-in-one learning platform that uses AI to turn complex trading into simple lessons. Here's exactly how it works. 1. Personalized learning path. When you first open the app, you'll take a quick quiz about your goals. Whether that's learning the basics of the stock market or mastering day trading. Finelo then builds a personalized learning path for you. So instead of long and boring lectures, you get 3-minute micro lessons and interactive quizzes. It's one of the most effective ways to learn. 2. The AI chart analyzer. This is the app's magic feature. If you see a confusing stock chart online, you can actually snap a photo or upload a screenshot. The AI chart analyzer scans the image to detect trends, patterns, and key levels. It then explains in plain English what you're looking at, so you can start to recognize market movements yourself. 3. Risk-free trading simulator. Once you've learned a strategy, you can test it in the market simulator. This uses real-time market data, but with virtual money. It's a completely safe area where you can make mistakes and learn from them without losing a single cent of your actual savings. If a trade goes wrong, the app even gives you feedback on why it failed. 4. Daily challenges and AI mentor. To keep you consistent, the app features daily trading challenges and a leaderboard where you can earn XP and badges. So if you get stuck, you can tap into the AI mentor for instant explanations on terms like short selling or diversification. It's designed to build your confidence until you are ready to move from the app to a real brokerage account. And that's it. Finelo takes the guesswork out of investing by letting you practice before you play. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.